Morning, everyone. Our topic for today is about the national symbols of the Philippines. The national symbols of the Philippines represent the country's history, culture, and identity. So, kaning nga mga symbol is later matakol nato ni. Aga-remind ni siya sa freedom, unity, and love for the nation sa mga Filipinos. They serve as important reminders of the values and pride of the Filipino people. First is the Philippine flag. The Philippine flag is a symbol of the Filipino people's freedom, unity, and patriotism. So each color and symbol kailangan siya special meaning. So the blue stands for peace, truth, and justice. The red symbolizes courage, bravery, and patriotism. While the white triangle represent ni siya og equality, liberty, and brotherhood. Ang kaning three stars kabalo naman ta unsay meaning ani which is the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Ang kaning 8th red golden yellow sun ga-symbolize ni siya as og freedom and the first 8 provinces that revolted against Spanish rule, which is mao ni siya ang Manila, Bulacan, Cavite, Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Bataan, Laguna, and Batangas. One is the national anthem of the Philippines. We all know naman unsa ang national anthem sa diri sa Pilipinas. Mao niya siya ang Lupang Hinirang. Lupang Hinirang expresses the Filipino people's love for their country, freedom, and bravery. It reminds Filipinos to be proud of their nation and willing to defend it with honor and courage. So one of the example asa ni ginagamit ang kaning atong national anthem is ginakanta ni siya during sa flag ceremonies in school. Is the national tree of the Philippines, which is the Nara. This tree shows strength and resilience because it can last for a long time. Ang wood ani sa tree is ginagamit ni siya for furniture, cabinets, and musical instruments. While ang other parts sa tree kay ginagamit po ni siya as medicine and decoration. One is the national flower of the Philippines. A national flower of the Philippines is sampagita. So kaning nga flower is known ni siya as Arabian jasmine. So ang color ani is white. Makita niyo diri sa picture. White and ang shape ani is star. Kaning sampagita is ginagamit po ni siya as corsages or garlands.
The national bird of the Philippines. The national bird of the Philippines is the Philippine eagle. So it is considered one of the largest and strongest eagle in the world. It can mostly be found in the forests of Mindanao, especially in Davao. The Philippine eagle symbolizes strength, courage, and freedom. However, it is already endangered because of illegal hunting and deforestation. That's why we should help protect the environment and preserve animals like Philippine eagle. The national gem of the Philippines. The national gem of the Philippines is the South Sea Pearl. The South Sea Pearl is known for its beauty and value. The Philippines is called the Pearl of Orient Seas because our country is rich in beautiful pearls. So, the pearls are commonly found in Palawan and other coastal areas. So, they are used in jewelry like necklaces, earrings, and bracelets. So the South Sea Pearl is symbolized beauty, purity, and the natural treasure of the Philippines. The national sports of the Philippines. The national sport of the Philippines is arnis. So arnis is one of the oldest martial arts in the country. So it is called eskrima or kali. So this martial art uses sticks for striking, blocking, and self-defense. So during ancient times, Filipino used arnis to protect themselves from enemies. So today, it is recognized as the official national sports and martial art of the Philippines. So arnis shows the bravery, discipline, and skills of Filipinos. So that's why it represents the national sport of the Philippines. The national leaf of the Philippines is the anahaw leaf. So anahaw leaf is a fan-shaped, green and very strong. So it can survive hot weather, heavy rain, and strong winds. So before, the Filipino used anahaw leaves as a fan, roofs for nepahats, and wrapper for food. So very useful good siya dati. So the anahaw symbolizes strength and resilience because even in difficult conditions, it remains strong just like Filipino. So that's why it represents the national gift of the Philippines. The national fruit of the Philippines, which is the mango. So the mango is known for its sweet taste and delicious flavor. So it is one of the most popular fruit in the country. So the Philippines has different variety of mango, such as Calabao, Pico, Indian mango, paho, and supsupin. So aside from being tasty, mango is also healthy because it contains vitamins and nutrients. Filipino use mango in juices, desserts, shakes, and dried mango products. So that's why the mango became national fruit of the Philippines because it represents the sweetness and richness of our country.
The National House. The known Bahay Kubo or Nipa Hut shall be recognized as the National House. It is best known for Filipinos as a cozy house or a shelter that is made from bamboo and palm leaves or nipa and even with anahaw leaves as a roof. So, nipa or bamboo house is usually seen in the barrios. So, barrios na siya magkakakita. Nipa hut is a symbol of heritage. It is original native home of Filipinos, symbolizing our identity, values, and adaptation to our land. Next is the national animal. So the carabao or water buffalo is or best known as calabao is a gentle but hardworking type of mammal. These animals are largely used by farmers to pull plows in the rice fields or transportations cart for others. So partner gini siya sa ato mga farmers. It represents the strength and laboriousness of the Filipino people. So then our national animal is domesticated carabao, which possesses the qualities of Filipinos being preserving, industrious, and strong. Another is the national fish. So the milk fish or bangus is widely popular in the Philippines and in Asia. So bangus is a symbol of our rich waters and livelihood. It is a type of fish that is flexible and capable of adapting to where they are raised. So they thrives in different waters. So like Filipinos, we are adaptable, resilient, and resourceful. It is a popular table fare among Filipinos and is prepared and cooked in various ways. So every region has its own various of cooking. So for example, like daing, relleno, and our favorite, sinigang. Another is the national food. The Filipinos' fondness of adobo had earned the title as the unofficial national food of the Philippines. Although the name was taken from the Spanish, the cooking method is an old in the archipelago. So, adobo represents our history, mix of native, Spanish, Chinese influences, but uniquely ours. So, adobo is not just a food. They are who we are. Last is the national dance. According to the House Bill number 3926, recognizes the Cariñosa as a traditional Philippine folk dance with Spanish influence. The dance shows courtship and affection between a man and a woman. The bill also identifies important national symbols such as Manila, the Filipino language, Bayan Ko, the Philippine peso, and the jeepney. Tradition clothing like the Barong Tagalog and Barot Saya are also included as national costumes. The purpose of this bill is to strengthen patriotism, nationalism, and Filipino identity. So, Cariñosa is our traditional folk dance. So, it shows our gentle character, modesty, and love. It uses our unique culture and is the best symbol of the grace heart of the Filipino. In conclusion, the House Bill number 3926 also promotes other symbols like the City of Manila as the national capital, the Malacanang Palace as the national seat of the government, Filipino as the national language of the Philippines, Bayan Ko as the national song, Makadiyos, Makatao, Makakalikasan at Makabansa for God, people, nature, and country as the national motto, the national coat of arms and the national seal of the Republika ng Pilipinas, the Philippine peso as the national currency, the Barong Tagalog for the male and the Barot Saya for the female as the national costumes, the Bakya as the national sleeper, and the Philippine jeepney as the national vehicle. So it aims this bill to integrate and promote patriotism and nationalism that these symbols represent in the development of history and identity of Filipino as one nation. Source, Philippine Congress, House Bill number 3926, series of 2014.